Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedrian. The Reggae Month celebrations continue this week with the signature Reggae Wednesdays event. Wednesday's showcase, dubbed To The Foundation, featured performances from Sizzla, Luciano, Mikey General, Lukie D and more. We have the highlights, so take a look.
Politicians, them not in a control. Them the face, you know the real bodies underground, yo. If you never know what it is, allegiance can be politician problem. Time after time, oh, time after time. Now divine protection, fine wine. That's how we know that I love about. You see them darling eyes. Well, beloved, see, baby, my heart still full heart. You know the song? I'm thinking about it. You know, people fall in love in mysterious ways. For all the years and years of God, you'll always be the same. It's me again, that's all of my needs to raise. Everything got out, don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, that's all of my needs to raise. Everything got out, preserve my soul.
Fans can prepare for the release of the highly anticipated album from iOctane. The artist has unveiled the cover art for the third studio album titled Love and Life, which is produced by iOctane's Conquer the Globe Productions label. The long-awaited album features 17 tracks with 2 bonus tracks when you pre-order the album. Love and Life is a fusion of different genres of reggae and dancehall, something for everyone who is a fan of iOctane. The album serves as the continuation of iOctane's sophomore project, My Journey, with a full throttle into the international markets. The album features collaborations with the likes of Shaggy, Ginger, DeMarco, Unique, Curvy Diva, J-Boog and Remain Virgo. It will be available worldwide on March 30 and will be distributed by California-based IDC. Now it's the weekend, which means another staging of Backing on Fridays. This evening we'll see one of Jamaica's partner and top event group Frenchmen take control of Mass Camp for a burning hot event. Tonight's fete will feature DJs Smoke, Tony X alongside Back to Basics, who is no stranger to the Bacchanal stage. Coming off the heels of Trinidad Carnival, the DJs plan to bring high energy and flair to tonight's event. See you at Bacchanal later. And that's it for the weekend edition of E Prime. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching.